Hey everybody, what's going on? My name's Andy. My channel's Finding Value. If you like investing in the most undervalued sectors in the world, this is the channel for you. Join our community. I'm going to ride this commodity bull market up with everyone on the channel. Subscribe, give me the thumbs up if you like this content. So gold and silver. We started so strong. I was so excited. I was like, here we go. Buyers are stepping in. Let's finish strong. And what did we do? The buyers rolled over. What the hell? We lost well, we didn't lose, but the sellers, they really stepped up and hammered this thing back down, which was quite impressive. I didn't expect that to happen. So let's look at the charts. Let's see what we're at. So this is gold and silver. I'm going to call this failure to launch. So we've got gold and silver here. Here's gold. You know, it's not all that bad. We've got a hammer here. We moved on up, and then we got all the small down days. We went to move to the upside, but someone's selling up here. They sold. We had a bunch of momentum in the morning. I was quite excited about this, and then we came back down, and the momentum's kind of coming to the downside. We need buyers to step in here. I want to see a big up day that finishes strong like this day right here. I want to see that. And that's not what we saw today. We got to see the buyer step in. Same with silver. Silver, we were up. 3.83, nothing to really be mad about. But I'd like to see this close strong. I want to see a big up day like this with a strong close where the momentum's coming up to the upside. Right now, we kind of went up, and the momentum kind of slowed down and came back down a little bit. Nonetheless, we have to wait and see what happens next week. Here's platinum, same thing. We got a wick on the top. I don't like wicks on the tops. Momentum's coming back down a little bit, and I don't want to see this thing break out of this pattern here. So we'll see what happens next week. First Majestic, is this gap going to fill? Are we going to come back down? Perhaps. We'll see. Discovery Metal, same thing. We opened up and finished down. Momentum's to the downside. We do have these large down days here. Does that mean we're going to go down? Maybe. We got to see if the buyers step in next week. Ely Gold, we've got some big down candlesticks here. I was hoping for the buyers to step in. We do have this resistance line, which is now, it used to be support, now it's resistance. It kind of broke down, so we could see this go lower. Am I selling? No, but we could go lower. Regal Ventures, this one broke its downtrend, or I should say support line. Downtrend, and we're coming back on down. So we got some sellers here. I didn't see anything out of the buyers here. We could see a little bit lower. Franco Nevada, same thing. Bearish engulfing, could be heading lower. Same thing with GDXJ. I was hoping to see a move to the upside, but these are starting to close a little bit down. This wasn't too large of a close, so we still need to watch and see what's going on, but the possibility here could be to the downside. MMNGF, same thing. We went to open up. I thought, hell yeah, we're going to move. And we came back down and momentum's going to the downside. This could go a little bit lower. The QN Mining, I think this actually ended right here at a 0. So big move up and then a reversal pattern back down. We could see this pull back a little bit and then move higher, but we need gold and silver. We need the buyers to step in here and push these things higher. Right now, even in sand, I'm looking at a downtrend here, and this downtrend's not looking better. I see dark cloud cover, bearish engulfing. I think this is going lower. Then a strong downtrend. Still J. This one was one of the stronger picks. Came back, popped up. Again, we got to see buyers. We got to see this push to the upside. I don't see these strong closings. I want to see a closing like this. So the momentum's coming back down. We might come back and pull back a little bit. We'll see what Monday brings us. Tune Resources still has an excellent looking chart pattern. Coming up, coming back, but remember, the entire sector's pulling back. What are the chances of Tune Resources defying all of the entire sector? Probably pretty slim. We do have some bearish engulfings here. I'm not selling. I do own quite a bit of Tune Resources. I'm just holding on. That was one of my downfalls last commodity bull market. We saw, these kind of chart patterns, and then they just blew to the upside. I'm not being out of it. I only use this stuff to cost average in. Some of the companies look like they're still in pullbacks. Some of them still look like they're holding on. Tutin looks like it's still holding on, but we'll see. Next, wheat and precious metals, little pullback up. These dark candlesticks typically mean they end strong, or they start strong but end weak, with the momentum coming to the downside. So we might see this pull on back and go down. This isn't a broken downtrend yet. So what do I call this failure to launch? I was so excited this morning when I saw all these go up. And then I was disappointed when I was looking at it going, man, it's not going to hold. It's not going to hold. And it was pulling back. Doesn't mean it's totally done, but the momentum, I think the sellers are still there. They're still there. They're still lurking. And the buyers have not stepped up and showed everyone that we're in control. So be patient. I'm not selling out. I'm holding. If you guys like this content, give me a thumbs up. Thank you for subscribing, or subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And thank you for listening. This is Finding Value.